YouTube Premium Family Plan, explained and simplified. In this video session, I'm going to share with you answers related to YouTube Family Plan. As you know, in 2024, YouTube has premium options. So to simplify the membership, what you need to understand is when it comes to YouTube, your YouTube account works on per email basis. So if you then upgrade to Premium Family Plan, then what will happen is you will send invitation to your family member and they will then log into their YouTube channel. And a common question is, you know what? Can they see my activity? Can they see the videos that I watch? Or can I see their videos that they watch? You cannot do that. With the family plan, as I've said, it works on per email basis, and each family member gets their own YouTube account, so to speak. Meaning, let's imagine you have a YouTube account that's separate to your family member's YouTube account, and you cannot, neither one can see what's going on in between the two accounts, whether it's watch history, downloads, likes, and so on. So when you upgrade to YouTube Family Plan, you know what, in 2024 the prices has gone up, so I'm actually creating this video accordingly. When you're a premium member, then you upgrade to Premium Family option, then what will happen is you're allowed to invite family members by sending an invitation to them to your YouTube Family Plan. Make sense? So the membership holder sends out invitations to 5 family members, up to 5. Another question that's asked is, okay, do they have to live in the same household? Well, YouTube has restrictions, and the family members have to reside within the same household. So you can share your premium membership, family membership, up to 5 people that reside within your household. But that's rather confusing for most people, in a sense that, let's imagine you shared the membership with your son or daughter. They will be using their own YouTube account, let's say on their mobile phone, and let's say they went overseas. They can still access the account, as in the premium membership, because they just went overseas, let's say on a holiday and so on. Or they may have gone, let's say, into the city of Melbourne. At that moment, let's say they're using their laptop. As long as they log in to YouTube using their own email address, then they can access the premium benefits. So what are you really getting? As I've said, YouTube history, I can't see the YouTube history of my daughter or my son or my wife. So you won't be able to see what they're doing on YouTube because they're logging into their own YouTube account, not yours. Then let's take a look. Here we've got people and sharing. So if I press on a family member, let's say I press on my family member, I can remove their access to my YouTube Family Plan. But as you can see, I can't see what they're doing on YouTube. So, is YouTube Family Plan worth it? Well, that will depend on your circumstances. The price has recently gone up, And currently in Australia, I'm paying $32.99 Australian dollars. That could seem a bit hefty for some people, but as far as I'm concerned, it has always been worth it. Because as you know, when you watch YouTube, we have ads at the front. Sometimes some videos have ads in the middle, and some of them are non-skippable ads. That means basically you have to see the ad. And if you have young family members, then you're exposing them to a lot of ads and influencing their knowledge, so to speak. So, you know what? As far as I'm concerned, it is worth it, because my family members, including myself, we do not see the ads, so we enjoy YouTube better. Furthermore, with the premium benefits, you can actually download your favorite YouTube videos. And once you download them, you can watch them anytime. So basically, they're on your computer. You won't lose data each time you want to watch it because it's downloaded. And you have access to downloaded videos even if there is no internet. So, these are the common questions. I hope they have been of help to you when you're considering YouTube Premium Family Plan. As I've said, you can invite up to 5 family members, but they have to reside within your household. And Google has the technology to work out if they actually reside within the same household. Before I close up, just keep in mind that certain countries have certain restrictions, and the best way to learn more about it is simply search YouTube Help section. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.